Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. Follow these instructions carefully. Find a handheld mirror or reflective surface. Go to your front door. Without opening your door, use your reflective surface to examine the exterior of your door frame. It is important that you do not step outside. If your door frame is smeared with black paint, stop. Do not panic. Stand your ground. They are inside. It is inside your house. If you step outside, you surrender your home to them. If you then try to re-enter, you will be invading their territory. They will kill you without discrimination. First, find a knife. Then, listen closely. Follow the next instructions carefully. 1. Do not face the entity without shedding all your fear. Do this now before you continue. 2. Search your home. The entity prefers dark and or enclosed spaces such as cabinets, closets, and basements. 3. When you find the entity, you will know it. A chill will overtake your spine and you will want to look away. 4. Do not look away. Stare at the entity. 5. Smile at the entity. You must fight your muscles to do this. 6. Remain smiling and staring without fear. Now, using your knife, stab yourself in the abdomen. 7. Smear your blood on your hand. Reach out and touch the entity. If these steps are followed correctly, the entity should scream and vanish. If you did not follow the steps correctly, if you had fear, if you did not smile genuinely, if you did not stab deep enough, if you did not touch firm enough, it is too late for you. Your body becomes their vessel. Your home becomes their home. And their home becomes your home. And their home is beyond your worst comprehensions. Do not panic, have no fear. Do not panic, have no fear. Do not panic, have no fear.